Hey there, my name is Brian Knight from Pragmatic Works, and in this video, we're going to show you all about the new Microsoft 365 chat, which is using Copilot. So stay tuned. One of the most underlooked features of the new Copilot, or ChatGPT in Microsoft's land, is the Microsoft 365 chat. It's going to stitch together all the Office suite and other things into one coherent question and answer session for you. So you can ask questions of your files, your meetings, your PowerPoints. All those things can come together inside of this one pane of glass. So let's see how this works. First of all, I'm going to go to Microsoft365.com. Once you're there, you'll see a new tile over here called Copilot. You can also add this as a Teams app if you wish as well in the new or the old Teams application. Once we do that, we'll see a list of prompts up top. We can also look at other prompts by hitting this button right here, and you can also type whatever you wish in here as well. So I'm about to do a one-on-one meeting, an employee review meeting with Ben Evans, one of our employees here at Pragmatic Works. And in this fictitious example here, I want to find out, hey, what kind of meetings do I have with Ben over the next week? So I can ask a simple question like, show me my meetings with, and do a /. It will ask you who you want to do. I'll do Ben Evans over the next, let's say this week. And when I hit enter, it will comb through my Outlook calendar and find all the meetings I've had with Ben, or I'm going to have with Ben, and it will bring all that together. Additionally with this, I can ask additional questions of my meetings. Like say, for example, this LMS sprint retrospective meeting. Tell me more about the product, the LMS status update with Ben. And it will go deeper into it. Now, the cool thing is, if this is a meeting that happened in the past and that meeting was recorded, it can also tell you all the action items that may have come out of it. It will tell you look in this case, it's telling you meetings that will be brought into it. All that stuff will come easily into this to give you one coherent answer out of this. But again, if it was recorded, you get even more intel. What action items were there? What other kind of goodies do you have in that meeting? Who was attending? What are the notes of that meeting? We'll give you all that in one coherent prompt. So let me go ahead and do a new chat here, and we'll lose that one. And we'll ask a little bit more about other things that we can do. So let's go ahead and get me the key info from, and again, I'll do a /, and this time, it could do meetings, emails, or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and choose a file in this case, and I'll do the work issues from this. Hit go, and it will then go out there, find out all the key issues that are in this file, and bring them to light here. So we can see that people are discussing some issues that we may have in our current CRM, and kind of summarizing the top issues that I need to address in this case. Well, what else can we do here? Well, we can also look at a file and say, hey, give me some FAQs from this file, more generative type text here. Let me stop that from going here. There we go. And I'll say something like, generate an FAQ, frequently asked question, from /. And I'm going to look for I have one that's an open source. Here we go. And when I hit go, it will then generate the FAQs from that. You can also tell it from this file and this file, for example, as well, to get a more retrospective across multiple files in this as well. So really, really neat stuff we can do with this. Now, lastly, I can also use this to generate content as well. So let me stop this from here. And if I want to say, hey, generate an email to cancel my board meeting, and I'll just go ahead and say which meeting I want to cancel today. There we go. Let's do this one right here, top one here. That's already happened. Due to illness. Hit go. And it will then generate some text for me to go ahead and send to whomever is in this meeting here, and give it a few moments here. All right, there we go. And it will even give me a prompt. I can say, be for more verbose or whatever. And when I hit edit in Outlook, it will open up that and actually have it all ready to go with me to send that out now. So there's a few of the ideas you can do inside of Microsoft 365 Chat. There's tons more you can do here. You can also find, if I go down the bottom here, and I clicked View Prompts, We'll see a list of other prompts that are also applicable in here, and you can add and save your own as well as time goes on as well. It's not available now to save in some areas, but lots more features that are coming inside of here, including, by the way, one of my favorite ones is summarizing emails that you might have had as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this, please do subscribe and reach out to us at pragmaticworks.com. Have a great day.